Hello everybody again from Simplyfoodea. Today we'll continue our HACCP plan, writing like professionals. So now, as you can see at the top of the header, this means page number. This means that we are in page number 1 of the whole document, which is 2 pages. This is very nice to know where are you, and also in the revision. So this is the page, this is the cover. We can delete this page now. Okay, this is the cover, and I can make it by this way. This is the cover, and also this, I can put this at the middle by writing design layout at the middle, Control Z, design, put it at the middle. Okay, you can make right click and table properties at the center. Okay, this will make the table at the middle of the document. So we can also make it this. Okay, this is good, no problem. And make this, for example, another color by going to the format and make it by color to like orange juice, and this Simplyfoodea red and green. Okay, and blue, whatever you want. Okay, let's go Ctrl S by saving. Then you can here insert another table 3 by 3, and you can write here what? We'll write here the effective date, tab, go to the version number, tab, and revision page number, and make all the data by layout at the middle, and this will go to be bold. Choose it will be, for example, this color. Control S for saving all the data. Okay, the effective date, as we have mentioned, it will be, you can take it here. Okay, effective date, then the version number I mentioned before, number, and right here all pages, and at the end of the whole training we will know how many total pages, and we write it at the cover. Now we can insert another very important also document table, sorry. It will be 5, okay, by 4, okay, like this. We can mention here prepared by, tab, you can write reviewed by, tab, and approved, sorry, approved by, okay, and also approved by. Okay, you can increase or decrease the approvals, so we can make here and this, and I will show you why this table is very important. I can zoom now, you can see what's happening there. Okay, you can write here the name, then the position, then the signature. So by prepared and approvals, you can write the names of the people who have bold, choose the color, for example, yeah, okay, also. So now At the cover page, you can write name number 1, whatever the name. All this are names. Name number 1, name number 2, name number 3, name number 4. The position, for example, the quality manager who have prepared, or for example, the food safety specialist, okay, and reviewed by, for example, the quality manager. Approvals by, for example, the factory manager, if the quality manager are reporting to the factory manager. Okay, then approval, for example, by the CEO, which is the Chief Executive Officer. Okay, specialist. Control S. This is the cover of the HACCP plan. As you can see now, this is the cover of the HACCP plan. You can make, for example, enter here to make the cover. So you can write the name here and his signature after printing the HACCP plan reviewed by quality manager, signature, approvals, and approval. This are the first page and the first cover of the HACCP plan. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe and share our content.